puzzle is this. So here I formed a black hole and it's evaporating. And unfortunately, the R is covered up, but it's over here. It's this part of the Hawking radiation. It's already arrived at distant regions. And the quantum expansion going backwards along the horizon is negative. So what I need for the theorem to apply, right, is that the generalized entropy of B and R together is less than the generalized entropy of R. In this case, this is just the entropy of R. There's no area term since R is entirely at infinity. And that'll be true after the page time. Why? Well, the generalized entropy of B and R together, maybe it's easier to see by going to the complement region. It's the same as the generalized entropy of a slice that connects from TB up to this cut at infinity. And that's just this area. There's almost no radiation here. Another way of saying that is, well, it's the area plus the entropy of B and R, but B and R together have no entropy because these are the inside Hawking partners R and B that purify the Hawking radiation in R. So the entropy up here is just the area. That's the entropy of B and R. But the entropy of R is the entropy of the Hawking radiation, which is bigger than the area of the black hole after the page time, by definition of the page time. Okay. So the theorem's assumptions are all satisfied, but clearly there's no singularity down here.
Singularity carries God's name in Arabic. Mass distorts space-time. As more matter falls into a star, its mass increases, and as its mass increases, its density increases. The more dense a star becomes, the more distortion it makes. The longer a star lives, the denser it becomes, and the denser it becomes, the more distortion it makes. However, this distortion is pointing towards the singularity. So the longer a star lives, the more it distorts space-time towards singularity. Singularity is a location in the future of stars. An observer far away from a black hole sees the events near a black hole in slow motion. If he shines a beam of light into this black hole, he will have to wait forever, but still this beam of light will never reach the singularity. The singularity is a location in the future of stars where gravity goes so mad that space and time become indistinguishable. From general relativity we know that this is a location where the structure of space-time becomes singular, hence the name singularity. However, singular, ahad in Arabic, is one of God's 99 names. In the Quran, God swears by the locations of stars which turned out to carry his own name. I swear by the locations of stars. It is a great swear if you knew, it is a noble Quran. Here God swears not by the stars themselves but rather by their locations, mawaq in Arabic. Today we know that stars distort space-time in the direction of the singularity, which turned out to carry God's own name, Ahad. How could an illiterate man who lived 1,400 years ago have known all about the singularity?